Here are some birds at the Talking Water Gardens, which is built by Wah Chang in order to treat wastewater. Here is a duck at the Talking Water Gardens. Notice all the algae and scum. This looks like a blue heron. I hardly could discern the blue heron from looking through my viewfinder because this is on a high magnification. But anyway, I've seen a number of those in other places as well, such as in South Carolina and Louisiana. Interesting bird. This bird is unknown to me. I'll have to look it up and re-upload this, but it looks like an interesting bird too. They of course are unaware of my presence for the most part because I'm so far away, but it's a nice little bird. As you can see, this is my first attempt at doing a narration using Windows Movie Maker. And I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Bye.